How can they actually enhance their content marketing efforts when using all these different types of platforms?
Create a ton of content, because if you're creating a handful each a month, it's never going to convert, it's never going to meet your goals. Basically, I like to say, throw a bunch of shit at the wall and see what sticks.
Shotgun blasts. It always works, I think, with new style or new type of format for people because, like I said, we're all figuring out what actually sticks. And a lot of times when you're trying to figure it out, usually shotgun blasts is probably the best effort.
Exactly.